Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Kraken to your US bank account step by step clearly. To withdraw from Kraken to your US bank account, first, log into your Kraken account. Ensure that you have completed the necessary identity verification. Navigate to the Funding tab on the main menu. From the drop-down menu, select Withdraw. Choose the currency you wish to withdraw, such as USD. Click on Bank Transfer as your withdrawal option. If this is your first withdrawal, you will need to add your bank account details. Enter your bank account number and routing number accurately. Make sure to select the correct bank account type, whether it's checking or savings. Once your bank account is added, go back to the withdrawal page. Input the amount you wish to withdraw. Review the withdrawal details for accuracy. Click on the Withdraw button to initiate the transfer. You may need to confirm the transaction via email or two-factor authentication. After confirmation, your withdrawal request will be processed by Kraken. Typically, it takes 1 to 5 business days for the funds to appear in your bank account. You can check the status of your withdrawal in the Funding section. Be aware of any fees associated with the withdrawal process. Once the funds are received, you can manage them as you like. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.